This is the laziest way to make money, working 30 minutes a day. And according to Google, people are making $30,000 to $40,000 with this side hustle. First, go to Readsy, where you can write book reviews to earn money. Click on Apply. Fill basic details. Select what type of reviews you want to write and submit. Then, select a book to review. Next, go to Straiko via the link in my bio. Straiko is a free tool to use pro versions of top AI models in one place. To write book reviews, click on Chat, go to Ready-Made Prompt Templates, and select Blog Post Content Template. Paste the book name and description and tell it to write a professional book review without spoilers and give a rating between 1 to 5. Straiko will write a professional book review in seconds. You can add YouTube videos links, blog links, and PDFs to write better reviews. Finally, paste the article in Quillbot and click Paraphrase to rewrite everything so nobody detects that it's written with AI, and start publishing on Readsy. Save this strategy and follow for more.